Kung meron kang degree sa construction-related field, this video is for you. Today, we'll be looking at 5 online construction jobs that you can do literally in your pajamas or pambahay. So make sure to hit that subscribe button para lagi kayo updated sa ating mga online jobs. Let's go! So number 1 online construction jobs is a project scheduler. So, ang role mo dito guys, ikaw yung magmamanage ng timeline noong construction. So, this will all be done online, digitally. For example, na delay yung pagpupor ng concrete, what will happen in 6 months. So, you're gonna be the one clicking the buttons to see how it will affect everything, including the handover. All of those, ikaw yung magmamanage. And kung halimbawa may ma-move na schedule, ikaw din yung mag-a-adjust and magha-handle nung mga ifo-follow na timeline. So, ano yung mga requirements dito? Kailangan marunong kang gumamit ng Primavera P6 or MS Project. And then, kailangan guys, naiintindihan mo rin kung paano ba talaga yung construction sequencing. For example, hindi naman tayo pwedeng magpintura hanggat basa pa yung drywall, di ba? Saan kayo pwedeng maghanap ng mga ganitong jobs? As a project scheduler, you can apply in Indeed PH or in LinkedIn. So, hanapin nyo lang guys yung mga US or Australian firms like Wimmer Solutions or Mega Wide Remote Wings. Ayan. And one of my new favorites for online job is using Google Jobs. So, search nyo lang dyan, guys, yung project scheduler, construction. And then, you can also set the filters if you want remote, kung anong level of experience or tenure yung gusto mo. And then, it will show you the results kung saan ka pwedeng mag-apply. Na magkano naman, guys, yung salary range for a project scheduler job? You can earn from 40,000 to 90,000 pesos per month. Number 2 on our list is a construction admin VA. So, as a construction virtual assistant, ikaw yung parang magiging backbone and support ng isang project. So, kasama na dito guys yung pagmamanage ng mga requests for information, pagsasubmit ng mga different documents to certain government institutions, ensuring the paperwork is submitted, yung mga daily logs, and making sure that the paperwork is solid as a foundation. Requirements dito guys, kailangan may experience kayo sa Procore, Service M8, or sa Bluebeam. Ayan. And syempre guys, kailangan magaling din kayong mag-English because of course, you're gonna be communicating a lot with the client and with other businesses. So, pwedeng email to or pwede ring calls, pero maraming magiging back and forth as a construction VA. Saan kayo pwedeng mag-apply? So, may mga nakikita akong construction VA jobs in Online Jobs PH. And then, meron din guys sa mga specialized agencies for this particular role sa Trade VA or ScaleX Solutions. Ayan. Magkano naman yung pwede yung sweldohin for this role? You can earn from 35,000 pesos to 65,000 pesos per month. So, number 3 naman guys is the remote quantity surveyor. So, dito naman, ikaw yung magiging money guard. Ang mga responsibilities mo within this role is managing contracts, variations, and valuation. So, ikaw yung mag-i-ensure na hindi na overcharge si clients doon sa kanyang mga binabayaran. And kailangan mo ding ensure na nababayaran naman ni client yung kanyang mga contractors on time and fairly. So, dito guys, kailangan meron kayong degree, of course, as a quantity surveyor and in civil engineering. Kailangan meron din kayong knowledge sa Qubit or CosX. And yung mga international contracts like FIDIC. Saan kayo pwedeng mag-apply? Search nyo lang guys yung Australian or UK quantity surveyor in JobStreet PH or meron ding mga openings for this role in EMAPTA. And then, magkano yung pwede yung sweldohin for this role? The salary ranges from 45,000 pesos to 110 pesos per month. So, medyo mas malaki siya because you are gonna be dealing with the budget. So, next and number 4 on our list is the Construction Procurement Officer. Ayan, ang role mo naman dito guys, ikaw yung parang magiging shopper noong project. So, for example, kailangan mong mag-source ng steel from Vietnam or bumili ng mga tiles from Italy or mga light fixtures from China, and then gagamitin siya sa isang project in California. So, ikaw lahat yung mag-handle noon, including yung shipment, ayan, and the haggling for it. So, syempre, ang requirements dito, you need strong negotiation skills, like kailangan pagtatawad ka sa mga price, and syempre, naiintindihan mo rin dapat ang supply chain ng isang construction project. Kasi, it's not like you're just gonna buy, may fina-follow pa rin talagang process sa pagbili, right? And then, yung pag-ship din from one country to another. So, wala namang kailangang specialized software needed for this. Talagang soft skills yung kailangan strong skill mo. And then, where can you apply? You guys can go to LinkedIn or Go Remote Staff. Meron sila mga openings dyan. Hanapin nyo lang yung procurement specialist and the keyword construction. And then, magkano yung pwede yung sweldohin? You can earn from 40,000 pesos to 80,000 pesos per month. Ayan, so last na tayo guys on our list. This one is the BIM specialist or modeler. I think I've already mentioned this in one of our previous videos. So, ang role mo dito, ikaw yung digital builder. So, while they're creating the real world building, ikaw yung parang gagawa ng model or 3D model on the computer. So, while you're also creating that, i-check mo rin kung ano yung mga flaws or faults with the 3D model para hindi siya mangyari in real life. So, kailangan marunong kayo guys sa Autodesk Revit or Archicad. So, it's really a must that you know this 3D software. And then, saan kayo pwedeng mag-apply right now? There are openings in Via Technic, Dual Group, or Dutch Digital Delivery. Mas karamihan, makikita nyo talaga itong mga jobs na to sa Indeed. Pero don't you worry guys, ilalagay ko na lang lahat yung links sa description para hindi na kayo maligaw. And then for this fifth job, magkano yung pwede nating sweldohin here? The salary ranges from 45,000 to 85,000 pesos per month. And pwede pa yung tumaas guys kung managerial position yung makukuha ninyo. And now the real question for most of you siguro is, will this online construction jobs ruin my career? Kasi syempre, iba naman talaga yung Zoom meetings versus dealing with contractors in real life, diba? So, the quick answer there, guys, is no, it will not ruin your chances. Actually, mas isa-specialize niya pa. Kasi most forward-thinking firms here in the Philippines consider online job experience as technically superior. There are gaps because they're still operationally different. So if you're worried with that, just make sure na updated pa rin lagi yung license ninyo. Pwede naman kayo kumuha ng mga hybrid gigs from time to time and visit construction sites from time to time just to keep yourself updated. If you have questions about this, let's just continue it in the comment section below. Once again, guys, my name is Mimi, and dito sa ating channel, nag-share tayo ng mga work-at-home opportunities. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. And make sure you share this video to help someone you know. Thanks for watching! Bye!